Thomas Weather.
The Rich Thomas Weather Network, brought to you by these fine sponsors. Hear Rich's forecast hourly on these Blue Water Broadcasting radio stations.
Hey, good morning, everybody. How you doing on this Monday morning? Welcome to the month of July. It is 4:05 a.m. on this Monday morning and the start of a holiday week. A lot of folks are on vacation this week, so it's just going to be a weird week. I mean, to have the 4th of July on Thursday, you know, and anyway, it's a very warm, muggy morning out here this morning, and we're going to talk about heat first. Yesterday, we had our first heat advisory of the year so far. And the heat index got to a unbelievable 109 at MGM, and I think today is going to be, you know, another tough day. Heat advisory in effect across central and south Alabama, with the heat index 105 to 110 across the area. Radar has been very active over the last few days. I don't know what kind of luck you've had at your house, but over the last several days, there's been at least 2 downpours a day here. You know, so and sometimes they're just quick downpours, but today radar will be rather quiet, and the best chance of seeing any showers or thunderstorms today would basically be across the southern counties. You can't rule out one here in central Alabama, but the chances are minuscule today. So finally a quiet radar day. However, this week will be routine. I think there'll be spotty showers and thunderstorms around each day right on through the 4th of July. Watch out for lightning, because statistically, this is the week of the greatest number of lightning deaths. Why? Well, because people are outside. That's why. And a lot of folks also, you know, go to the beach, and the beach is a bad place to be for lightning. As far as that goes. All right, so we talked about the heat. We talked about spotty storms returning in the forecast Tuesday through Saturday, and otherwise a fairly routine forecast for the 4th of July. Most days, high temperatures will be in the middle 90s, triple-digit heat indices, and I think I've got us around 97 towards Saturday, something like that. Now, let's talk about the tropics. Hurricane Beryl. What do you say about Beryl? It is rewriting the history books about June hurricanes. First of all, it is the farthest east that a hurricane ever developed in the tropical Atlantic. That's one thing. It became the only major hurricane ever recorded in the month of June. We're reaching 140 miles per hour at one point yesterday, Category 4. And the list of records that it's broken is a mile long, so I'm not going to get into all of that, except the winds right now are 120 miles per hour, Category 3. It's about 125 miles from Grenada. It will be moving through the southern Antilles today, and just causing a lot of havoc, and a lot of damage, a lot of storm surge. A very dangerous Hurricane Beryl, which will be moving westward all week long through the Caribbean, and eventually into the Gulf of Mexico, I think, by about Friday. And then we'll be watching to see what happens after that. The name Chris got used last night in the southwestern Gulf of Mexico. In fact, Chris still has the name Chris. It is located right along the Mexican, well, it's actually come ashore in Mexico now with a lot of heavy rainfall. Behind Beryl is Invest 96L, which will probably get the name Debby, and Debby will be the next problem. It's about 2 days behind Beryl, so the tropics have been very, very active. Now you're up to date. All right, this morning everything is normal as it can be on a holiday week. We're on the radio from 6 to 9 on News Talk 93.1 WACV. There'll be another update for you. I'll be standing here tomorrow morning with your forecast discussion and blog update in the 4 o'clock hour, and your forecast whenever you want it across the dial on the Blue Water family of stations. Are you off this week? A lot of families are. So enjoy your time off if you are, and I'll see you later.